Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about the OJ Lab testnet airdrop. Alright, so recently the OJ Lab actually launched their incentivized testnet, and this is the type of airdrop that you do not want to joke with. So on this video guys, I'm going to be taking you guys by the hand. I'm going to be showing you guys all the simple things that you need to do in order for you to participate on this airdrop. So this airdrop is totally free, meaning that you do not need to spend a dime to participate on this airdrop guys. So if you're watching this video right now, do not skip any part of it. Make sure to watch it till the end so that you get to understand every single thing right here concerning the OJ Lab incentivized airdrop. So this project actually raised about $325 million, and it costs you $0 to participate on this. And this airdrop actually has the potential of actually giving us about $2,000 and above, but this is totally dependent on the amount of effort that you actually put to it. So right now the first question is, what is OG Lab? OG Lab is pioneering the development of the first decentralized AI operating system, aiming to revolutionize the AI landscape by providing a more open, fair and scalable ecosystem. So in 3 rounds they have been able to raise $325 million, just like I said, but their top funders are giants like Animoca Brand, OKX Venture, Hack VC, Samsung Nest and Alchemy. This is to mention but a few. So right now guys, on this video we are going straight to how and what you need to do right now in order for you to participate successfully and also be eligible for the OJ Lab incentivized airdrop that is coming very soon. So this airdrop actually became live just a couple of weeks ago, but right now guys, we are going to be learning what to do. So the first thing you need to do is to simply check out the link on the video description box to get started with this airdrop. And also do not forget to subscribe and like this video you are watching right now. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers. All right, so right now guys, to start, the first thing you need to do is simply, once you have copied the link, open it up on your web3 browser like your Mrs. browser, or you can open it up on your wallet. So right now guys, this is what you're going to be seeing immediately you open up the link. So the first thing you need to do from here is simply go ahead and connect your wallet by clicking on this connect option. You go ahead and then connect your wallet by selecting the available wallet, which is MetaMask. Personally, I'm using MetaMask, so I will select MetaMask like this, and this is going to be asking me to connect my wallet. I will go ahead and click on connect. So clicking on connect right now, my wallet is going to be connected immediately, and after the connection, sometimes they are going to be asking you to add the testnet network. If it didn't ask you to add the testnet network, what you need to do is simply come over here and click on add OG testnet, and you are going to be adding this testnet to your own wallet. And also you can see that your wallet is going to be automatically detected, and this is for you to be able to claim some tokens. And right now guys, what you need to do from here is to simply go ahead and click on this captcha button right here to actually complete this captcha and prove that you are not a robot. After that guys, you click on request token, and this is going to be asking you to approve the transaction that is going to be sending you some tokens to your wallet. And after claiming the AOGI token, you go ahead and click on this drop down. Clicking on this drop down right now, you can see we have USDT, BTC and Ethereum, and what you need to do from it, simply go ahead and click USDT, BTC and Ethereum as well. Okay, so right now guys, after claiming, you need to click on add token, and once you click on add token, it is going to be asking you to actually add the tokens that you have claimed to your wallet, so that when you go to your wallet, it will be showing. For example, right now when I go to my MetaMask wallet after adding the token and claiming, you can see right now that these tokens are already showing right here. Okay, you can see that I have been able to claim about 10,000 USDT, and I've been able to claim 10 Ethereum, and also I have been able to claim 0.1 BTC, and finally I claimed 0.1 AOGI. So the AOGI is actually the token that you are going to be using for the network fees. Okay, so remember, this token that you have claimed doesn't hold any value. It is just for testnet. It is just a testnet token. It doesn't hold any value, meaning that you cannot sell it or trade it on the actual financial market. So after claiming all this token and adding the OG testnet network, the next thing you need to do is simply come over here to swap. Okay, so over here right now on the swap, what you need to do from here is simply go ahead and swap any token, but currently the swapping is not fully live because you cannot swap any token here yet. Your token amount is not reflecting here, but immediately your token amount reflects, then you can go ahead and make some swapping right here. Okay, so then I guess after doing that, you can see the bridging is not yet live, meaning that it is coming soon. So after doing this, you are now done with the first step. Okay, so the next thing you need to do from here is simply go ahead and go to the second website. Remember, the link to all the websites is going to be right there on the video description. So right now guys, we are on the storage scan right now. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and connect your wallet by clicking on connect wallet. Clicking on connect wallet right now, you need to select your wallet, MetaMask. Now right now guys, you need to confirm this connection. Okay, I will go ahead and click on connect, and right against my wallet is going to be connected immediately. And what do you need to do from here? What you need to do from here is to simply go ahead and upload any file from your phone or from your laptop, depending on the device you are using for this interaction. Okay, and from here guys, the next thing you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on this file button right here. Then you scroll down until you see the upload tool. Okay, over here on the upload tool, what you need to do is simply click on browse file, and immediately you click on this, you need to give this permission, and this is going to be opening up your your gallery, asking you to select any file and then upload. So over here right now, I'm going to be uploading a file. Let me just select anything at all. I will be uploading this screenshot right here. Let me find a file and upload. So I'll be uploading this thumbnail right here right now. So after that guys, you can see this is after selecting the file, this is what you are going to be seeing right here. And of course, what you need to do from here is simply allow it to upload to prepare the uploading. After the preparing is done, you can then go ahead and upload your file. Okay, and right now guys, you can see this is still loading guys, so we need to give it a little time to load. And once it is done loading, then you can go ahead and of course click on this update. Okay, you can click on this upload to actually upload your your file, but you have to wait until the preparation is done. You need to go ahead and choose a smaller file. I've chosen a smaller file, but it is still loading up, so I need to give it enough time to load, then you can then proceed. So right now, what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is simply go ahead and go to the third website. Okay, so you need to go to the third website, because over here guys, on the third website, this is where you need to do something that is very important. Okay, so once you get to this website, what you need to do is simply go ahead and click on this plus sign. Then you need to select OG Newton testnet. Okay, so selecting the OG Newton testnet, you are now ready to interact on this website. So we need to do it from now is simply scroll down, you keep on scrolling down until you see where we have mint right here. You can see we have mint, and we have a lot of things that you need to do from here. Okay, for example, right now you can see you have mint NFT from featured collection. You click on mint right now, and once you click on mint, it is going to be asking you to select your wallet. I'm going to be selecting MetaMask because I'm using MetaMask. So then guys, I need to click on submit right now, and of course my MetaMask is going to be popping up. Right now guys, once it pops up, I need to click on connect. Okay, so right now clicking on connect right now, the connection is going to be established, and right now I need to sign the signature request. I need to click on confirm right now to actually confirm that I'm actually the owner of this wallet. Okay, so then guys, what I need to do from now, simply allow it to load up immediately. It is done. Then we keep on scrolling down until we get to what we are actually looking for. Okay, so over here right now, you need to then proceed on clicking on mint. Okay, so then I guess you are going to be clicking on mint right now, and this is going to be popping up a MetaMask transaction asking you to actually verify and confirm the minting. And once you confirm the minting, you then go to the next step. Okay, and right now guys, you can see that we are actually getting stuck right here, and that is because the website is currently under maintenance, and you may likely experience this type of long loading on your own end. But if you are seeing this video on the later date, this must have been resolved. All right, so this has been confirmed right here on their Twitter. When you scroll down a little bit, let me show you guys a post that was made just 3 days ago concerning the bad experience that you may encounter while trying to participate on the OG lab testnet. Okay, so over here guys, you can see just 3 days ago they made this post right here saying that the OG Newton testnet disruption bug affecting RPC node. Okay, we are working urgently to restore full service and sincerely apologize for any inconvenience. Thank you for your patience as we continue to strengthen OG lab. So that is actually the reason why we are having this type of error right here. You can see it has been loading for quite a while right now, and it's still not going. So what you you need to do from here is simply, after connecting your wallet successfully, what you need to do is simply come over here. You go ahead and mint this NFT. Then after minting this NFT, you need to click on register in order for you to actually select and actually register a domain. Then finally you come over here, you deploy this contract. Then you are finally done with interacting and participating to be eligible for the OG Labs airdrop that we are actually waiting for. All right, so the TGE, or the listing of the OG Lab, is very near, so you need to keep on trying until you succeed. Okay, so remember, this is the last few things that you need to do. Also, there is an importance of you being on the Discord channel in order for you to always be updated on all you need to know concerning this. And remember also that we are going to be, updating you guys both on our Telegram and also right here on YouTube on the next thing that you need to keep on doing for you to be eligible fully for this airdrop. So this is all I have for you right now, and remember to keep on trying until you succeed. And I couldn't succeed right here because the the website is currently buggy, and you may likely experience this type of error that I'm actually experiencing right here. Okay, so this is all I have for you guys right now. If you have any question, let me have it on the comment section, and I will talk to you guys on the next video that I'll be dropping very, very soon. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and of course, do have a lovely day. I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very, very soon.